So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting new product with us that we wanted to share with you. So without further delay, let's start, right? So the gadget that we have with us today is the new Motorola Edge 40 Neo. So this is the box and we are going to open this up and check out the contents. So this mobile comes in a environment friendly packaging. So let's now check the mobile itself. So this is wrapped in paper, it seems. So we'll just tear this wrapper and check the mobile. So let's keep this to the side now. So this is the mobile. It feels and looks very good and it feels very premium. So the color of this mobile for this model particularly is light green and it seems to be matching with my shirt. This is actually a vegan leather bag. This has a nice texture. It is very good to hold also. So let's open the box and check out the contents now. This comes with a charger. This is a 68 watt charger actually. So let's open this up. So yeah, this is a 68 watt fast charger that has been provided with the box, and this is the cable. So we have this, I think this will be the casing for the mobile. So this is a nice back cover that has been provided by Motorola. This actually adds to the premium feel of this smartphone. This mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp hour battery and it comes with fast charger. It comes with 68 watt fast charger and Motorola is claiming that it can charge up to 50% in 15 minutes. That is what is claimed by Motorola. And we'll just check this. See, this is a type C to type C cable. This is in line with the new trend these days of type C cables. So at 5000 milliamp hour the battery is enough and it can get you through an entire day or 1.5 days through one charge. Now we are going to boot up this phone.
Hello, Moto.
So we'll skip these things for now. So the mobile has booted up and we are ready to begin. The screen looks very good and now actually there are some updates. The display feels very smooth. So let us go to the about section of the phone and let us check the hardware details. The RAM is 8 GB and the ROM is 128 GB for this model. It comes in another variant with 16 GB and 256 GB. This comes with NFC support as well. This comes with a MediaTek processor. It is the MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset and it is a 8-core chipset. Display fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner we have already set it up and it is quite fast. There is no lag as such. So this mobile has a 6.55 inch curved edge display. Motorola is claiming that this has 144 Hz refresh rate. The display rate is set to auto and we have 3 more options. We can set it up to 144 Hz. This mobile has a full HD plus P-OLED display. One of the drawbacks is that no screen guard has been provided along with this model. This is IP68 rated. This is dust and splash proof. However, be careful not to submerge it in too much water. So we'll use the SIM ejector tool and check out the SIM tray for this mobile. So yeah, so this is a dual SIM mobile and this is the first SIM slot and this is the second SIM slot. However, one thing has to be mentioned is that there is no expandable storage. This is not a hybrid SIM slot. This is a dual SIM card. This supports dual SIM cards only, and this supports nano SIM. So this is the bottom part of the mobile and these are the speakers. This is the type C slot of the mobile. This is the SIM card slot, and if we come to this side we have the power on off button here. The buttons are quite tactile. So this is the volume up and down key. These are the volume rockers. To the top it is mentioned here Dolby Atmos. So let's test the speaker once. So the sound is quite good. The sound is actually, compared to other mobiles that we have checked out, this is The sound is very good. And this comes with Dolby Atmos.
So hello guys, welcome.
So we have two cameras at the back. The first and the primary camera is a 50 megapixel camera, and this comes with optical image stabilization. So this is a nice thing that Motorola has incorporated at this price point. The second camera that has been provided is both a wide angle camera as well as a macro camera, and it is a 13 megapixel camera. The front camera is a 32 megapixel camera. So we'll now check out some of the shots and record a video maybe to show the quality of the camera.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to.
So we are recording with the primary rear camera. This claims to have optical image stabilization, so just checking the stabilization, and you can check the 4K recording on this as well. So I'm just walking in the garden. You will have a brief idea. There are actually 4 color options available for this mobile. It is black, then there is blue, then there is peach, and then there is this option. There is a light green color which Motorola calls Soothing Sea. So this is actually the color is in collaboration with Pantone. So these are Pantone curated colors, and the color is actually quite nice. This is a very soft color, and it adds a premium touch to the phone. So the current price of this model is 22,999. The lowest price for this mobile was I think 20,999 during Big Billion Days. There are discounts also on credit cards that you can check out. The weight is quite light also for this model. It is only 172 grams, and it is very thin. This was our initial impression of the mobile, and we have not used it. So after using it for some time, we'll definitely come out with a review of this mobile. Bye for now. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do drop in a comment if you like.